Certain characters like tab, newline, carriage return, and so on have escape sequences to represent them. They can also be represented using their code point value in decimal, octal, and hexadecimal formats. Unlike character set escape sequences like \w, these escape sequences can be used inside character classes as well. Let us look at some examples. You can represent the tab character by using backslash and lowercase t. So let us search for a tab character, and there are two matches in this particular line. For the backspace character, you can use backslash and lowercase b. These two examples will behave the same in both search pattern and replacement string portions, whereas backslash r and backslash n behave differently. So if you want to match a carriage return in search pattern, you can use backslash and r. But if you use this in the replacement portion, you will get a newline character. For example, if I append backslash r to the end of the line, a newline character will be added. So you will see an empty line. Let's undo that. If you use backslash n in search pattern, you can match end of line characters. So these end of line characters will depend on the file format setting. It can be backslash n, backslash r, or backslash r followed by backslash n. So for example, if I use backslash n and press enter, you will see all the newline characters highlighted. Whereas earlier we saw that if you use backslash r, you will get newline in the replacement portion. And what happens if you use backslash n in the replacement string? You will get the ASCII null character. Next, let us see how we can specify characters by using their code points in the search pattern section. So you can represent them in decimal, octal, and hexadecimal formats. Suppose you want to search for the single quote character. So let us see how we can represent it in these three formats. First, let's see when the character is on the single quote character. And if we use the normal mode command GA, you will see these three values. So 39 is in the decimal format, 27 is in the hexadecimal format, and 47 is in the octal format. So let us try that. Backslash %d followed by 39. So you can see it matches the single quote character. Let us change it to octal. So we need 47. You can see it has matched the single quote character. And finally, let us use x27. So again it matches the single quote character. So when you use x, at maximum you can specify only 2 hexadecimal characters. The Unicode characters will need more than 2 digits. So in such cases, you can use lowercase u to specify a maximum of 4 hexadecimal characters and uppercase u to specify up to 8 hexadecimal characters. So these escape sequences to represent characters by using their code points is applicable only in the search pattern section. It has not been implemented in the replacement section, but in future versions this might become available.